Learn knowledge in English and Hindi.
ज्ञान,
Made fun. Welcome to.
ज्ञान.
Hey, you're here to learn one powerful Hindi word today, and it's a good one. Get ready to sound smart, curious, and maybe a little dramatic. Today's star word is knowledge. In Hindi, that is.
ज्ञान,
Say it with me.
ज्ञान.
Nice. This is not just a word, it feels like a glowing lamp in the brain. In many Indian traditions,
ज्ञान,
is linked with wisdom and learning. So yes, this word enters the room wearing spectacles. Your word for today. Let's lock the meaning into your memory fast. You only need one strong connection. Knowledge gives confidence. In Hindi,
ज्ञान,
Atmavisvasa deta hai. She seeks knowledge every day. In Hindi, Vaha Haradina.
ज्ञान,
Kojati hai. Books are a path to knowledge. In Hindi, Kitabam.
ज्ञान,
Ka marga hayam. Quick memory trick. When ignorance is gone,
ज्ञान,
appears. A tiny funny story. Now listen to a silly scene, because your brain loves stories more than boring lists. A child enters an old temple and finds a magical lamp called.
ज्ञान,
The lamp lights every dark room. Then a parrot hops in, pecks at a mysterious seed named,
ज्ञान,
and suddenly starts giving lectures on history, science, and why mangoes are emotionally complex. Ridiculous? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. The superhero of the day defeats darkness using the power of.
ज्ञान,
Say it and feel it. Let's make the word physical so it sticks better. You can even do this while walking around like a wise movie character. Tap your temple and say.
ज्ञान,
Open your hands outward like you are sharing ideas and say.
ज्ञान,
Imagine the smell of old books and think of.
ज्ञान,
Hear a calm sitar note each time you say.
ज्ञान,
Look in a mirror and imagine.
ज्ञान,
Glowing on your forehead. Very dramatic. Very scholarly. Mini dialogue. You're going to hear the word in a simple conversation now. Listen once, then repeat it aloud. A. What do books give us? B. They give us.
ज्ञान,
A. What do you seek every day? B. I seek.
ज्ञान,
A. What removes darkness? B.
ज्ञान,
Is a lamp that removes darkness. Word friends. Words remember better when they travel in a group. So let's give
ज्ञान,
a few friends. Book is.
किताब,
Wisdom is.
बुद्धि,
To learn is.
सीखना,
Together, they make a nice study team.
किताब, सीखना, ज्ञान,
And maybe eventually.
बुद्धि,
Quick quiz. Time for a fast check. No pressure. Even geniuses need snacks and second chances. What is the Hindi word for knowledge?
ज्ञान,
You hear.
ज्ञान,
What does it mean in English? Knowledge. Choose the Hindi word for knowledge.
पानी, ज्ञान, घर,
Or.
रोटी,
Correct answer.
ज्ञान,
Books give us what?
ज्ञान,
Final challenge. Let's finish strong. You already know more than you did a few minutes ago, which is honestly very on brand for today's word. Repeat after me.
ज्ञान,
Knowledge
ज्ञान,
is power.
ज्ञान,
Sakti hai. Books are a path to.
ज्ञान,
If confusion and
ज्ञान.
battle, knowledge wins. Thanks and keep going. Great job today. You learned a meaningful Hindi word and made it stick through sound, story, and repetition. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep saying
ज्ञान,
during your day and use it when you think about books, learning, and bright ideas. Come back, practice again, and let your
ज्ञान.
grow.